Hi guys, Sketchy here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna customize my phone case. I have the sketch ready, and let's transfer this sketch to this sketchbook with the crazy graphic technique. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get back to the video. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done with this, and let's peel the tape off to see the results. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's paint this. Okay guys, I have finished my coloring, and now it's time for the inking. Let's do this. Enjoy the reveal. Okay guys, I have finally cut this. Let's see if it fits the case. Yeah, it fits perfectly in it. The fingerprint sensor slight. Yeah, we'll run with it. Yeah, see. Okay, let's put my phone to, let's switch the phone. Guys, I have finally put the case into the phone. It fits perfectly and looks nice, although I had to cut over here and over here, but that's not the problem. Let's test if the fingerprint sensor works and the camera too. Oh yeah, it works perfectly, and camera also works perfectly. Let's test if the flash works. Yeah, see, pretty fine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and hit the post notifications to get notified when I post new videos, and hope you enjoyed it. And the important notice is that to wash your hands with sanitizers, soaps, liquid soaps to stay sanitized, and let's fight against coronavirus. Peace.